Today we are going to start a new chapter, carbon and its compound. Basically we will discuss in this video allotropes of carbon. सबसे पहले मैं आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगी कि we can see these things: sugar, pencil, diamond and coal. Which of these things contain carbon? Which of these things contain carbon? किसमें कार्बन है? Yes, all these things having carbon means look different but all the elements contain carbon. सभी चीज़ें अलग अलग हैं: sugar, graphite, diamond and coal. All these things are the different but all living things contain carbon. All the non-living things contain carbon. All the living things और non-living things both contain carbon. हमारी बॉडी में भी कार्बन होता है, ओके, प्लांट्स में भी कार्बन होता है. दिस इज शुगर. शुगर, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द शुगर? C6H12O6. ओके, दैट इज कार्बन. ग्रेफाइट, ये पेंसिल क्या है? ग्रेफाइट की बनी हुई है, तो ग्रेफाइट कार्बन. डायमंड भी कार्बन है एंड कोल ऑल्सो कार्बन. नाउ फॉर्म्स ऑफ कार्बन. फॉर्म्स ऑफ कार्बन. अब कार्बन किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है एनवायरनमेंट में? अकरेंस ऑफ कार्बन, free state element and combined state compound. Free state element like graphite, diamond and coal are found in the free state. Okay, combined state, sugar. Example is sugar. For example C6H12O6. तो ये क्या है? combined state में है. कुछ एलिमेंट जो है फ्री स्टेट में होते हैं बट सम एलिमेंट्स आर फाउंड इन द combined states. Okay, now if you want to test the carbon, these things having carbon, what is the proof? क्या प्रूफ है? आप क्या करोगे? शुगर को बर्न करोगे, डायमंड बर्न करोगे, ग्रेफाइट बर्न करोगे या फिर आप कोल बर्न करोगे, तो क्या होगा? प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. देन टेस्ट विद लाइम वाटर. ओके, देन इट प्रोड्यूस टर्न वाटर मिल्की. ओके, नाउ we will discuss about the physical and the chemical properties of carbon. कार्बन की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है? सबसे पहले we will denote the carbon is C. Carbon is element. Carbon denote C. Carbon is non-metal. Carbon is non-metal. The valency of the carbon is 4. Tetravalent. Tetravalent means टेट्रावेलेंट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द वैलेंसी ऑफ द कार्बन इज 4. कोवेलेंट बनाता है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बनाता है, शेयरिंग करता है. क्या करता है? शेयरिंग करता है. आयनिक बॉन्ड नहीं बनाता है, शेयरिंग करता है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बनाता है. एटॉमिक नंबर C6 मीन्स द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन इज 6. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2 और 4. 2 और 4. बिकॉज ऑफ द 4 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन it can share the 4 atoms. It can share the 4 atoms. We can see in this example the carbon sharing the 4 atoms. The hydrogen atom bonding है, hydrogen atom bonding, तो carbon have the tetravalency. Carbon have the tetravalency. Tetravalency means 4 atom, 4 bonding बना सकता है ये अपनी. Okay, now 4 single covalent bond. 4 single covalent bond. 4 single covalent bond combine with itself to form the long chain. Because of the property of the tetravalency, it can combine with itself. ये अपने आप ही कार्बन से ही जुड़ सकता है, अपने कार्बन से ही जुड़ सकता है और टेट्रावेलेंसी बना सकता है. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द टेट्रावेलेंसी carbon atom small in size. Carbon atom small in size. Bonds are very strong. Carbon atom small in size, okay, but these bonds are very strong. Chain are stable and don't break easily. Can have much larger chain. Contain huge carbon atom. Self combination of the properties. Carbon is the catenation. Because of the carbon हैविंग द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ द सेल्फ कॉम्बिनेशन, एक कार्बन दूसरे कार्बन से जुड़ सकता है. और बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द टेट्रावेलेंसी, carbon having the property to bind it itself. This is known as the catenation or tetravalent. Okay, properties led to the millions of the compound. इस तरीके से because of the tetravalency and the catenation properties, it can combine with the millions of the compound. Now, what about the Buckminster fluorine? Buckminster fluorine, what is this? What is common in diamond, graphite and Buckminster fluorine? Because of the carbon exists as an element. ये सब कार्बन से जुड़े होते हैं, ये सब कार्बन से जुड़े होते हैं. क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर है. दिस इज एन रेगुलर ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप. नाउ what about the allotrope of the carbon? In this video we will discuss basically about the allotropes of carbon. What is the means of the allotropes? Various physical form. This is a physical form, not chemical. Chemical structure same but different in the physical form. Various physical form in which element exist are called the allotropes. फिजिकल फॉर्म में सेम होते हैं. फिजिकल फॉर्म वेरियस होगी, अलग अलग होगी सबकी, जैसे डायमंड, ग्रेफाइट और कोल आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एलोट्रॉप्स. इस सबकी फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर वेरियस है बट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर द सेम. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ मीन्स जब भी आप इनको बर्न करोगे तो ये CO2 प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. CO2 प्रोड्यूस करने पर क्या होगा कि जब आपको लाइम वाटर से टेस्ट कराओगे तो इट टर्न इनटू द मिल्की. ये केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सेम होती है एलोट्रॉप्स ऑफ द कार्बन की बट डिफरेंट इज द फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर. हम डिस्कस करेंगे द बिलो स्लाइड्स. ओके, एलोट्रॉप्स ऑफ कार्बन टू टाइप्स, क्रिस्टलाइन एंड एमोर्फस. क्रिस्टलाइन एंड एमोर्फस, व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ दैट? क्रिस्टलाइन, for example, diamond, graphite, Buckminster fluorine. Amorphous, charcoal, coal, amplag and soot. We can see in this structure crystalline and amorphous. What is the difference between them? We can see this structure. The crystalline structure arranged in manner form, but amorphous structure is not arranged properly. Amorphous structure not arranged properly but crystalline structure arranged properly. Okay, that is a difference between them. In this video we will discuss about the crystalline form. Crystalline form example are diamond, graphite and Buckminster fluorine. These are in the crystalline form. We can see diamond. We can see this diamond is colorless, transparent and sparkle in light. Hardest natural substance. This is the hardest natural substance. Burn in strong. जब ये burn होगा reduce carbon dioxide only. Small crystal is gigantic. Molecule of the carbon atom. Actual structure is the gigantic molecule. Rigid structure used for making glass cutter. It is used for making glass cutter and strong drills. Very high melting point. This is a non-conductor of the electricity. When we can see this is the diamond structure, we can see the arrangement of the carbon atom. This is a building block. Like the building block, all 4 electrons are used in the covalent bond. सभी sharing है. No free electron. कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री नहीं है. Does not conduct the electricity. That is the reason the diamond is not conduct the electricity because there is not free electron. Now come to the graphite. The pencil lead is graphite. Physical properties of the graphite: grayish, black and opaque. While diamond transparent है बिल्कुल, soft and slippery to touch. While diamond hardest, good conductor of the electricity. While diamond bad conductor. Chemical properties: diamond and graphites are different physical properties but same chemical properties because both are produce carbon dioxide only and consist of carbon. We can see the structure of the graphite. We can see the structure of the graphite. Okay, each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atom. Each carbon atom 1, 2, 3 bonding to the 3 carbon atom, and just look like the hexagonal ring. That's look like the hexagonal ring. Graphite, weak van der Waals force. If we arrange the more carbon atom of the graphite binding with the van der Waals force, that is the weakest force. Due to the weakest force, it is slippery and smooth. Graphite bonded with the van der Waals force, layer can slide over one another, soft and slippery. Because of the van der Waals force, weakest force, soft substance, while diamond is hardest substance, used in pencil, used as a lubricant for the machine part operating at the high temperature. These are the non-volatile. Why graphite good conductor of the electricity, while diamond is the bad conductor of the electricity? Diamond is a bad conductor of the electricity because of the no free electron. While graphite is a good conductor of the electricity because every carbon atom has electron, making it good conductor of the electricity. We can see the carbon atom having the electron on each carbon atom. These are the free electron. That is the because due to the properties it make the good conductor of the electricity, used for making the electron. Now comes to the fluorine. What is the fluorine? What about fluorine? Allotrope of the carbon having the shape of the hollow sphere. This is the hollow sphere, while graphite structure hexagonal ring. Graphite structure was the hexagonal ring. Fluorine hollow sphere, ellipsoid. Spherical fluorine known as the Buckminster fluorine. Because of this spherical structure, this is known as the Buckminster fluorine. Each is having the carbon atom. The molecules contain the 60 carbon atom. 20 hexagon. These are the 20 hexagon white part, 20 hexagon. Dark solid at room temperature. We can see in this video the allotropes of the carbon in the crystalline form. We have discussed diamond structure, graphite and Buckminster fluorine. क्या देखा हमने इसमें? सिमिलरिटीज हमने देखा केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में these are same because they produce carbon dioxide, okay, turn milky when react with the lime water, but varies in the physical properties. तीनों की physical properties अलग अलग थी. Diamond hardest substance, graphite soft and slippery substance, and this is the spherical and hollow shape होती है इसकी, okay. तो ये थी allotropes of the carbon. Now the top 3 question you have to solve. How many carbon atom are present in one molecules of Buckminster fluorine? Name 2 properties of the carbon that give rise to the millions of the carbon compound. किस वजह से कार्बन की वो प्रॉपर्टीज, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, कि वो मिलियंस ऑफ द कार्बन कंपाउंड से बाइंड कर सकता है. वाई ग्रेफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, थैंक यू.